What's up, YouTube? It's your girl, Donna.
And your boy, Ray.
Back at it with another YouTube video.
Back at it with another YouTube video, yo.
And today, we'll be eating Jollibee.
Jollibee, man. Oh my gosh, I'm super excited to just... I'm just gonna bite it right now, babe.
Jollibee MUKBANG.
MUKBANG / dinner.
Yes.
Go ahead and tell them what we got, babe.
So today, I got the number B. So, it has the family pasta. I mean spaghetti. Family spaghetti.
Family spaghetti.
Bucket of chicken.
How many pieces?
6 pieces.
6 pieces.
But I asked for a half spicy, half mild.
Half spicy, half mild.
Comes with gravy.
Gravy.
And then I ordered 2 extra side of white rice.
Gotta have rice.
I ordered 2 pineapple juices. And it also comes with 3 peach mango pies.
I'm gonna eat 2 of them. I'm gonna eat 2. I'm gonna eat 3. I'm gonna eat all 4.
Right.
It's like, we don't got 4, but.
Let's get started.
What you wanna eat first? You wanna plate it?
Yes.
You wanna plate some spaghetti? Spaghetti out. This one got a little water on it. Let me wipe this water off this plate.
Let's start with spaghetti.
Spaghetti.
So this is like a Filipino fast food restaurant.
For those who've never heard of Jollibee,
Yeah.
I think in people be having mixed relations. On our short, a lot of people saying they don't like, people saying they loved it. I think it's pretty good if you ask me.
That's good to me.
I slide and pick me up some Jollibee.
Don't mind if we do.
This is my drink.
Yeah.
You know I gotta give me some drink first. They hit this pie. Thanks, babe.
I want spicy.
It's spicy. Spice your life up, ain't it?
Yeah, spicy original.
Come on, girl. You know who you talking to.
I got the wing drumstick though.
It's okay.
You can have this. It has a little cute little flag on it. It's like, dang, that's a lot of spaghetti.
Dang, your boy hungry. Y'all, I'm hungry. I'm sorry. But what you got? What else you get? You got spice. I want original too, though. I want both of them actually. What's that? Some rice.
Yeah.
Rice your life up.
Yeah. You want this drumstick?
Yeah, just drum me out.
And then this gravy for the chicken, you guys. I want to dip it in.
Gotta dip it. I'm just gonna leave my rice in my plate. I mean, in my little bowl.
Yeah.
We're gonna stop talking.
To...
Yeah. Drum it up. You gonna dip it in some gravy?
Yes.
Get some of that gravy on there.
Gravy.
You don't know how to dip gravy, girl. You gotta really dip it. Fire.
Spaghetti. But this isn't enough spaghetti. I'll get more.
Crispy skin with the crunchy chicken. See, I want to see it with the spicy. Wait, is it spicy?
It's like spicy, but it's not too bad. It's not super spicy, but it's like a good mild. They don't really need any sauce or anything either.
Okay. Let's get some of this spaghetti.
So their spaghetti is sweet. I like it.
I just ate spaghetti where I like. Let me not.
Try original. I lost my crust.
Was it good? The bomb. Comment section below, man. My bad, that was good. Comment in the section below if you like Jollibee or not. Because in the short, a lot of people saying they don't like it or not. Now I want to really ask the question. Do you like Jollibee or not? Comment section below. And if you don't, let me know why you do. I mean, why you don't. And if you do, let me know why you do. Let us.
So we were in LA like 2 weeks ago, and they're about to get a Jollibee downtown. I said, coming soon, so you're in LA. Go get some Jollibee. I'm sure they have some over there, but it's coming downtown.
Right downtown. Let me gravy my life up. Big gravy.
They have like these little sausages in the spaghetti. Were you hungry?
I'm pretty hungry. Not gonna lie. Went a long day. Was waiting on this Jollibee. Big bites.
I definitely do like the spicy chicken more.
Spicy chicken brown.
It has more flavor.
About to see.
Oh, good.
Fire. Here. Let me see what this spicy chicken talking about.
They also have other stuff there, you guys, so definitely go check it out. I think they have like chicken sandwiches. They have like some gravy dish. Sorry if I say this wrong. I think they have pancit, like a Filipino type food. And other stuff.
We gotta try some of that next time.
Definitely. Definitely.
Yeah, the spicy is definitely better. Definitely got some spiciness to it. Yeah. Spicy chicken. 9 out of 10. But yeah, man. This is fire.
You want to save the rest for later?
Gotta say the rest for later.
You want to try this peach pie real quick?
Gotta just try the peach pie for y'all. Give y'all that ooh eye factor.
Dessert time.
Popping Jones open. Let me pop my hand real quick.
Grab you one.
Alright, sorry.
This is his favorite, you guys. Ready?
So good. You took that small bite. Not everybody greedy like you.
I'm gonna save it for later. But that's gonna be it, you guys, for this video. We just wanted to show you our dinner mukbang of Jollibee.
Jollibee.
Because it's always a treat when we eat it.
Mm-hmm.
Yep. So don't forget to like our video.
Comment in the section below.
Hit subscribe.
Hit subscribe, y'all. Turn on the bells.
Mm-hmm.
Because we about to be on the grind. A lot. We got a lot of stuff going on. So we on the grind right now, but we about to be on the YouTube grind. So make sure y'all stay tuned. Stay tuned. As always.
Peace and love.
Peace and love, y'all. We love y'all.